There's a hidden feature inside of Perchance.org. Here I am on the AI text-to-image generator. I've typed in Angry Viking Warrior. I've got back a whole bunch of different illustrations, and there's different backgrounds. The Vikings themselves look different. This comes up especially if you have relatively vague keywords. Here I've just got Angry Viking Warrior with not much else. And there's a thing called seed, and I'll show you how you can grab the seed to make similar images in this video. So I'm going to select this image right here on the left-hand side. I'm going to click this little I button, which is the information button on the top left, and we can see the prompt that the AI has added in. Now I want to point out, I've only typed in Angry Viking Warrior, but the AI has expanded out what it thinks I want based on my art style. My art style here is fantasy painting, and so it's given me a lot more keywords. Now there's a little button right here that's not check marked on, and I'm going to check mark it on, called Include Seed. And we can see that there's a seed. It's a big long number, and I'm going to copy it. So now I have the seed in my computer's memory. And then I'm going to hit the little close button right here to get back to my image. So I'm going to make similar images right now. So I'm going to go up here to the top, and I'm going to say Angry Viking Warrior holding a large shield, and then I'm going to put the seed in there. I've just pasted it with Control V, and now I'll click Generate. Okay, and we can see the results that come back. They're all very similar. You'll notice, people with a keen eye will notice that the shields are slightly different, and there's slightly different chest markings, for example. The actual armor is slightly different, but overall, these are very similar images. So one of the advantages of using the seed method is that you can pick the true best image out of a data set. So here I've got it set to 32 different images, and I can pick the truly best one. Sometimes there's very subtle differences in the images that you may want to grab the best one out of. Another benefit to the seed method is that you can create variants that are similar in style. So here I've just simply removed the large shield, and I've typed in holding a goblet of wine, exact same seed. And we can see down below, it's a similar style, except now my Viking warrior is holding a goblet of wine and other things. And we can see there's variants here. Here he's got some weird horns coming out. We can see the goblet is in different hands, he's holding different things, but overall the style is very similar. So this can be really helpful if you're creating similar images for, say, a book or a presentation. You'd like to have the same character, the same settings. Consider using the same seed. I hope you found this video walkthrough helpful. Perchance is completely free. You can create unlimited images simply by typing in text. Here's another video where you can have some fun for free.